domain of f of x equal to log of x minus 5 divided by x square minus 10x plus 24 to the base 10 minus cubed root of x plus 5 is first option, second option, third option, fourth option. Here cubed root of x plus 5 can be written as x plus 5 whole to the power of, it is nothing but 1 by 3 is defined for all x belongs to capital R. Means what? You can take you can put any real number instead of x, then its value is defined. Okay, one part is over. Next, later we think of logarithm of so and so. Here logarithm of x minus 5 divided by x square minus 10x plus 24, I mean to the base 10 is defined already. I said the definition log x to the base a is to the base a is not equals to 1 and a is greater than 1. A is not equal to 1 means log x, once again I will write here, log x to the base a is defined when a not equals to 1 and a should be greater than 0 and x should be greater than 0, just like that. Okay, instead of x this is function is there. So if x minus 5 divided by x square minus 10x plus 24 is greater than 0, because compare with small a is 10 not equals to 1 and 10 is positive. Therefore the remaining condition is the number x is greater than 0, means this is the number, it should be greater than 0. Here this is the numerator, this is the numerator, this one is the denominator. So numerator divided by denominator, one fraction is positive when, means that implies numerator positive and denominator positive, or numerator negative and denominator is negative, then only numerator by denominator one fraction is positive. So this is the basic point. According to this, x minus 5 is positive and x square minus 10x plus 24 is also positive. This is the first case. Second case, x minus 5 is less than 0 and x square minus 10x plus 24 is less than 0. So in this case that implies x minus 5 greater than 0 means x greater than 5. Let it be equation or condition number 1 or statement number 1. Next, another, x square minus 10x plus 24 is greater than 0. That implies here you come here. Let us find the factors x square minus 10x plus 24 means 6 4 is 24 minus 6 minus 4 minus 10. So x square minus 4x minus 6x plus 24. So x into x minus 4 minus 6 into x minus 4. So x minus 4 into x minus 6. These are the factors. So x minus 4 into x minus 6 is greater than 0. This is second condition. Okay. So that implies already I said one basic formula related to intervals when we are having the product of two factors. Having the product of two factors. I mean when a less than b, x minus a into x minus b is greater than 0. Less than 0. If it is less than 0, we have the formula For greater than 0 we have the formula. For less than or equal to 0 we have the formula. Greater than or equal to 0 we have the formula. So at present greater than 0 case, that's why it is x belongs to upper interval of minus infinity to a union upper interval of b to infinity. So less number means least number should be a and the greatest number should be b. So 4 least number, it is a. 6 it is the greatest number, it is b. So therefore x belongs to upper interval of minus infinity to 4 open union 6 to infinity plus infinity plus infinity. So therefore we have to find the combined solution for statement 1 and 2. Where is 1? Here is. Where is 2? Here is 2. Okay. Here which numbers are appearing here? 4, 5, 6, just like that. Okay. This is 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, next 6, 7, just like that up to infinity. And here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, just like that up to minus infinity. Up to minus infinity. Okay. First x greater than 5. X greater than 5 means this is 5. Greater than means it is in open interval. That's why I took open interval. Greater than 5 means this area, shaded part. This is the shaded part, this area. Next, second one. Second one, minus infinity to 4 means up to 4 means this is 4. This is 4, like that. Minus infinity to 4 means this area, this shaded part, blackened part. Union 6 to infinity means 6 to infinity, 6 to infinity, this area, this area. Now combined solution means that black and blue, this is the common shaded part, is our required solution for this case. So therefore clearly from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we have x belongs to, here we have only black, here black and blue. So it is 6 to open interval of 6 to infinity, 6 to infinity. Let it be Roman number 1 statement. Okay, next another case is here. You come here. From this inequation we have x less than 5. Let it be number 3. Number 3. 1 over 2 over, next this is 3. Next this one and x square minus 10x plus 24 is less than 0. Means already we found the factors here. That implies x minus 4 into x minus 6 is less than 0. You come here. So if x minus a into x minus b is less than 0, so that implies x belongs to open interval of small number and big number, greatest number, ab, open interval of ab. So in the same sense, x belongs to open interval of small and big. So this is x belongs to 4, 6. Okay, it is nothing but number 3 condition. It is number 4. Number 4. It is number 4. Next, number 3 condition is x less than 5. So let us draw once again the real line to represent the common solution for inequation 3 and 4. Here less than 5 means, for example, it is 0. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. Less than 5 means this area. This area means the shaded part with blue ink. Next, x belongs to 4 to 6. Where is 4? Where is 4? For example 4 is here. Where is 6? For example 6 is here. 4 to 6 I am taking, for this different statement I am taking different color. So 4 to 6 means open interval of 4. Open interval of 4 to 6. To 6 means open interval of 6. Open interval of 6. Okay, black and like that. 4 to 6. 4 to 6. Okay. Now the combined solution is black and blue, means common shaded part. Therefore here x belongs to common shaded part 4 to 5 only. Open interval of 4 comma 5. 4 comma 5. So therefore let it be Roman number 2. Let it be Roman number 2. So therefore from Roman number 1 and Roman number 2 we have the final solution 4 5 union 6 infinity. So third option is right. This is the right procedure. The domain of f of x equal to square root of e power sine inverse of something log x square to the base 16. Actually e power x domain, this is the domain, this is the codomain or range. Domain will be any real number and range will be open interval of 0 to infinity. Means what? That is e power x must be greater than 0 for all x belongs to any real number capital R. This is the domain and the codomain. You can make a note once again. E power x domain, real number set. Range, open interval of 0 comma infinity. Means what? E power x is greater than 0 for all x belongs to capital R. So this value e power something whatever it is, it should be greater than 0. So define, but we have to think of sine inverse function. Actually sine inverse x domain closed interval of -1 comma 1. This is the domain. So sine inverse of x, instead of x what is there? Log of x square base 16. So therefore f of x is defined if this log of x square to the base 16 lies between -1 and +1. -1 and +1. Okay. Another, if listen, if a power x is equal to capital M, you come here. This is the definition. That by implies x equal to log m to the base a. This is the right definition. So a power x equal to m, then x equal to log m to the base a. So according to this we can write it as 16 power this value -1 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 16 to the power of 1. Just like that. Means I am writing a power x form. So that implies it is nothing but 1 by 16 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 16. Less than or equal to 16. You come here. If x square lies between small a and small b, then x belongs to root a comma root b union minus root b minus root a. We must do by heart this formula. Understand? That is one solution is root a less than or equal to x less than or equal to root b union minus root b less than or equal to x less than or equal to minus root a minus root a. I mean here when a is less than b, here root a must be less than root b. Root b means here a greater than, for example, so here a means what? A is equal to 1 by 16 means root a is equal to 1 by means 1 by 4. Next b is equal to 16. Then root b is equal to 4. So what is the formula? X belongs to closed interval of root a means 1 by 4 comma root b means root b means 4 okay, union minus root b 4 comma minus root a 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So therefore which option is right? Second option is right, hence the problem. Next, the domain of the function fx equal to square root of 10 minus whole root of x to the power of 4 minus 21 x square is what? First option, second, third, 4 options are given. Here f of x is defined. F of x is defined when this root of x to the power of 4 minus 21 x square means first it should be defined for which x to the power of 4 minus 21 x square should be greater than or equals to 0 and this interior part 10 minus whole root of x to the power of 4 minus 21 x square should be greater than or equals to 0. So under the two conditions we are going to find the set of values of x itself is the domain of the given function. That's why I wrote f of x is defined under the conditions like that. Okay, now we are going to solve these two inequations. Here x to the power of 4 minus 21 x square greater than or equal to 0 means that x square should be common, then it is x square minus 21 greater than or equals to 0. Here x square means that the power degree is 2. Anyhow it is always positive for all x belongs to capital R. Okay, now the matter is x square minus 21 should be greater than or equals to 0. Remember, it is not a division by x square throughout the inequation. No, this is product of x square and this term should be positive, means non-negative. So for which already x square is there, that's why it is always positive. Now we have think of the sign of x square minus 21. So therefore x square minus 21 should be greater than or equals to 0. So therefore x square, it can be written as root of 21 whole square greater than or equals to 0. So that implies x plus root of 21 into x minus root of 21 greater than or equals to 0. We must write like that, x minus of 21 root 21 into x minus root 21 should be greater than or equals to 0. Okay, one and two factors are there. First factor into second factor should be greater than or equal to 0. Already I said about the intervals. When a is less than b, under this condition, if x minus small value into greatest value less than greater than or equals to 0, then x belongs to open interval of minus infinity to a closed union closed b to infinity. Of course, there is equivalence relation. That's why we took the closed brackets. Remember. So that implies here we have two values, namely minus root of 21 and plus root of 21. So this is the small value. This one is the big value. Therefore x belongs to. X belongs to, under this condition or formula, minus infinity comma a value minus root of 21 closed union root of 21 infinity plus infinity. Okay, let it be Roman number 1. Next, you come here. In the second main condition, 10 minus means 10, it should be greater than or equal to square root of x to the power of 4 minus 21 whole square. So squaring on both sides for our convenient, this is 10 square means 100 greater than or equal to x to the power of 4 minus 21 x square. So it follows that 0 greater than or equal to x to the power of 4 minus 21 x square minus 100. So that implies it is nothing but x to the power of 4 minus 21 x square minus 100 is less than or equal to 0. So it is too difficult to solve by quadratic equation. That's why I wish to say x square is equal to some t. Remember, x square is there, so it is always greater than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to capital R. Remember. Okay, put x square equal to t. Then this equation becomes x square whole to the power of 4 means x square whole square. So it is t square minus 21t minus 100 less than or equal to 0. Now better to find the factors. So factors are 25 4s are 100, 25 minus 25 plus 4 minus 21. Okay, barobar. So t square minus 25t plus 4t minus 100 less than or equals to 0. So factors t into t minus 25 plus 4 common t minus 25. It is less than or equals to 0. So that implies t minus 25 into t plus 4 less than or equal to 0. That implies it is t minus 25 into t minus 4, it is less than or equal to 0. So once again you come here, when a less than b, if the condition is x minus a into x minus b less than or equals to 0, then x belongs to closed interval of a comma b. That is, it can be written as a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b. It is the another form, of course. So compare with x minus a into x minus b. A means what? Smaller number minus a. B means what? 25. So it is x belongs to closed interval of a comma b. So therefore here t belongs to closed interval of a value minus 4, b value 25 plus 25 plus 25. So it follows that t belongs to, first we shall divide the negative part and positive part. Once again I will write here. Okay, it is visible. So it is t belongs to closed interval of a value minus 4. Next it is 25. that is what? That is, it is 0, this one is minus 4, next 25 means let it be 25. But t is what? We assume that t is equal to x square. It is always greater than or equals to 0. So since t is always greater than 0, for all x belongs to capital R, we are ignoring this area. Therefore, t must be belongs to closed interval of 0, 25. T means what? X square. That is belongs to closed interval of 0, 25. Means what? 0 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 25. You come here. You come here. If 0 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to a, then x belongs to means minus root a less than or equal to x less than or equal to plus root a, just like that. So here small a is equal to 25. Therefore small a is equal to 25. Then root of a is equal to 5. So therefore it follows that minus root 25 less than or equal to x less than or equal to root 25. So that implies minus 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. So that implies x belongs to closed interval of minus 5 comma 5. Okay, here we are having Roman number 1 statement and it will be Roman number 2. Now we are going to find the combined solution of Roman number 1 and Roman number 2. 1 minute. You come here. So it is better to find the combined solution graphically. So equation Roman number 1. Just first you draw a real line. Of course it is origin. Minus infinity 21. Root 21 means approximation value for 4 square 16. 5 square 25. It should be lies between 4 to 5. So therefore, for example, it is 4, or we can take directly root of 21. Next it is plus root of 21. You come here. Next, according to equation Roman number 1, minus infinity to minus root of 21 means this area is minus infinity area. Minus means this area. So minus root 21 up to minus infinity. Next, this area, positive area, plus root 21 to plus infinity. Okay. Next, here minus 5 to plus 5. I mean closed interval of. Here closed interval of minus 5. Minus 5. Where is the minus 5 and plus 5? It is lies between 4 to 5. Therefore 5 may be here. This is 5. Let it be, it is minus 5. Next, closed interval of minus 5 comma plus 5 means we are taking closed interval like that, minus 5 to plus 5. Minus 5 to plus 5, shade like that by taking another ink. Okay, I am asking the combined solution means black and blue common shaded part. So the common shaded part is clearly x belongs to closed minus 5 comma up to minus root 21 over this is the line. Okay, blue and black union closed interval of root 21 comma plus 5. It is also closed. So clearly you see there which option is right. Third option is right. So for comment section